Working effectively as a team is essential to the success of this project. And in this case study, your team is intentionally small, just 2 or 3 members. Some of you may be working side by side in the classroom, while others may be collaborating virtually. That's completely okay. This reflects how real bookkeeping firms operate, with team members working from different places, but still expected to deliver together. Tip 1. Define clear roles for each member. With a small team, clarity is everything. Decide early who is responsible for which part of the project. For example, one person handles QuickBooks online setup and customization. Another manages transaction entry, bank reconciliations, and adjusting entries. A third leads the reporting and prepares the client presentation. If you're a team of 2, you'll share duties more evenly. Just be sure everyone knows what they're responsible for. Tip 2. Follow the project phases to stay structured. Use the 5 phases of the case study as your built-in roadmap. Don't try to do everything at once. Before each phase, decide who's taking the lead. Set internal deadlines or milestones. Confirm that everyone, in person or virtual, is aligned on what's next. Breaking the project into clear chunks keeps the work manageable and keeps your team on track. Tip 3. Communicate consistently, online or in person. Hybrid teams only work when communication is strong. Don't assume that just because someone's in class or online, they're up to speed. Use group chats, shared docs, or video calls for regular updates. Confirm key decisions in writing. Be respectful, responsive, and focused in your communication. Make sure everyone feels included, regardless of where they're working from. Tip 4. Share your work in one place. Use a shared folder, such as Google Drive, OneDrive, or a learning platform, where your team can upload deliverables and working documents, leave notes or questions, stay aligned on progress and deadlines. A central place for documents helps avoid confusion and file mix-ups. Tip 5. Review each other's work thoroughly. In a small team, quality control is everyone's job. Double-check transactions and reconciliations. Review financial reports together. Run through the client presentation before recording or going live. Approach everything as if it's going to a real client, because this is your practice for that exact scenario. Tip 6. Be reliable and respectful. Always, when your team is this small, every person matters. Follow through on your commitments. Offer help if your partner needs it. Be open to feedback and offer it constructively. Stay focused on the shared goal, delivering high-quality work for your client. Remember, you're not just classmates. In this simulation, you're teammates in a firm. Tip 7. Address conflict early and constructively. Disagreements can happen, and that's okay. What matters is how you handle them. If something feels off, speak up respectfully and early. Focus on the project, not the person. Ask, how can we move forward together? Professional teams know how to resolve conflict and keep the work moving. Final tip, reflect as a team when it's done. After the project is submitted, take 5 to 10 minutes to debrief as a team. Ask yourselves, what worked well in our process? What would we do differently next time? How can we apply what we learned in a real client setting? This kind of reflection builds professional habits and strengthens your collaboration skills for the future. This case study will challenge you, and that's the point. Working across locations, dividing responsibilities, and navigating deadlines, these are real-world skills, and this is your time to practice them in a safe, supported environment. You're a small team, but if you plan well, communicate consistently, and support each other with purpose, you'll deliver big results. Let's make it happen.